Do you ever find yourself wishing there were more hours in the day? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to juggle so many tasks effortlessly while others struggle to get even the basics done? What if I told you there's a way to not only keep up but to excel and elevate your life through mastering simple productivity hacks? Welcome to Elevate Your Life, Mastering Productivity Hacks, where we'll unlock the secrets to boosting your efficiency, reclaiming your time, and achieving your goals like never before. Let's dive in. Introduction to Productivity Hacks. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters efficiently. Today, we'll explore practical strategies that you can implement right away to make a significant difference in your daily life. Let's start with the basics. Prioritization techniques. First, let's talk about prioritization. The Eisenhower matrix is a powerful tool to help you decide on and prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. This method, named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower, can help you focus on what truly matters and delegate or eliminate the rest. Here's how it works. Urgent and important. Do these tasks immediately. For example, if you have a critical work deadline or an urgent health issue, these should be your top priority. Important but not urgent. Schedule these tasks. This could be long-term planning or professional development activities. Urgent but not important. Delegate these tasks. For instance, routine admin tasks that others can handle. Neither urgent nor important. Eliminate these tasks. These are often distractions or time wasters, like excessive social media browsing. Time management strategies. Next up is time management. One popular method is the Pomodoro technique. This technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo, involves working for a set period, usually 25 minutes, then taking a short break, 5 minutes. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Here's how to apply the Pomodoro technique. 1. Choose a task you want to work on. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes, 1 Pomodoro. 3. Work on the task until the timer rings. 4. Take a short break, 5 minutes. Stretch, grab a coffee, or just relax. 5. Repeat the process. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This technique encourages sustained focus and regular breaks, helping you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. Minimizing distractions. Distractions are productivity's worst enemy. Imagine you're trying to focus on a report with constant email notifications popping up or a noisy environment distracting you. By turning off notifications and creating a dedicated workspace, you create an environment conducive to deep work. Additionally, apps like Freedom can block distracting websites, ensuring you stay on task, while Focus It will provide scientifically designed background music to enhance your concentration. The power of routines. Routines set the tone for productivity. Start your day with a morning routine that energizes you. It could be as simple as a short workout, meditation, or a nutritious breakfast. Consistent routines can drastically improve your efficiency and mindset. For instance, starting your day with a 10-minute meditation session can help clear your mind and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Follow it up with a healthy breakfast to fuel your body and a brief exercise session to boost your energy levels. A well-structured morning routine can prepare you mentally and physically for the day's challenges. Leveraging technology. Technology can be a double-edged sword, but when used correctly, it can significantly boost productivity. Use project management tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Additionally, automation tools like Zapier can help automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Self-care and breaks. Lastly, don't forget the importance of self-care. Regular breaks, sufficient sleep, and time for relaxation are crucial for maintaining productivity in the long run. Remember, a well-rested mind is a productive mind. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your favorite productivity hack or any questions you have. Follow us on social media for more daily tips and inspiration. Here's to your productive future.